Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving problem on first order and first degree differential equation. Given problem is solve x cube plus 3xy square dx plus y cube plus 3x square y dy is equal to 0. By the observation we can say it is a first order and first degree. You can also write this the given equation as dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. Just you take this dx is a dx or dy is the right side and you can rearrange in this form, right? Now if it is in this form, by the observation we can say first order and first degree. We have a first method, variable separable method. Second method, substitution method. Next, homogeneous method. We have a different methods to solve the first order and first degree. If this is in the directly in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, we have to verify which is an exact or non-exact. If it is an exact, we will get the direct solution. If it is non-exact, we have to multiply integrating factor. Okay. Now first we have to write dx quotient as m. What is m here? You have x cube plus 3xy square. What about the n? N is dy quotient, that is y cube plus 3x square y. Okay. Now to verify mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 and exact, we have to find out dou m by dou y and also dou n by dou x. Means m we have to differentiate partially with respect to y and n you have to differentiate partially with respect to x. If both are equal, then you can say this is an exact. If it is an exact, then we have a general solution. Integral mdx plus integral ndy, which is equal to constant. Here y is a constant and this is free from x terms, or independent of x term, right? Now I am verifying dou m by dou y. I am differentiating m partially with respect to y. While differentiating partially with respect to y, we have to treat all other variables as a constant. Here you have a sum of two terms, right? You tell me, is it a y term? No. Is it containing y? No. So it is independent of y. So this derivative will be 0 plus. Here you have a 3xy square. So this is a y term. 3x is a constant while differentiating partially with respect to y. What about the y square derivative is 2y. So finally dou m by dou y we are getting 6xy. Now I am going to find dou n by dou x. While differentiating n, you observe how many terms are there? Sum of two terms. Now what about the first term? First term is in terms of y alone, not x term, does not containing x term, so it is independent. While differentiating partially with respect to x, we are treating all other variables as a constant. So this derivative will be 0 plus, here it is containing x term, y term. So x is containing. What about the constant terms here? 3 is a constant, y is also constant because we are differentiating with respect to x. So 3y is a constant, x square derivative is 2x. So dou n by dou x is we are getting 6xy, right? By the observation we can say dou m by dou y, which is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given differential equation is an exact differential equation. If it is an exact, then the general solution is integral of m of x comma y dx into plus integral of n of x comma y dy, which is equal to constant. Here y is a constant and this is free from x terms. We are not taking x term in this case. Okay, right? Now tell me what is m. Here you have m is x cube plus 3xy square. What about the n? Y cube plus 3xy square. Now we are writing integral of m means x cube plus 3xy square, x cube plus 3xy square plus integral of n. While writing n, remember free from x terms. We are not taking any x term. This is containing x term. So what about the remaining term in the n? Y cube alone. Okay, y cube only. So write down y cube into dy, which is equal to c. Friends, here you observe, I forgot here to write the dx, right? And moreover y is here constant. Here you observe we are doing integration with respect to what? X. Here you have a y. That is the reason y is a constant in this case. Now anyhow, x cube integration with respect to x is x to the power of 4 by 4. Is it? Right. Plus 3y square is a constant. What about the x integration? X square by 2. Okay. Plus y cube integration with respect to y, that is y to the power of 4 by 4, which is equal to c. What is the LCM here? You have 4 is a LCM. So you can rearrange this as x to the power of 4. If I taken 4 is LCM and 4 also I am taking right side, then this is equal to 4c. Anyhow, plus here LCM, actual denominator 2 is there. So 2 times of 2 means 6x square y square plus y to the power of 4, which is equal to 4c. You can also say actually c is arbitrary constant. This is equal to c1 also you can say, where c1 is an arbitrary constant. So this is the general solution, friends. But you observe, friends, here you have a given problem is in the form of mdx plus ndy, but m is here x cube plus 3xy square. Here if you replace x is equal to kx, x is equal to kx, y is equal to ky, friends, if you replace x is equal to kx, y is equal to ky, if you are getting like this, f of kx comma ky is equal to k to the power of n into f of x comma y, we can say given function is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Here you observe x cube, you can write k cube x cube. Here 3x means 3kx, k square y square. So k cube is a common, you will get k cube into m. Here y cube is there, x square y is there. This is k cube y cube, 3x square k square ky. So here also you can take k cube is a common. K cube if you take in common, then you will have k cube n. So you can say m and n are homogeneous functions of degree 3. So mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. You can write in this form where f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Because dy by dx you can get this as, if you rearrange, then you will have dy by dx is equal to minus of x cube plus 3xy square by y cube plus 3x square y. It is a homogeneous function of degree 3. This is also homogeneous function of degree 3. So k cube getting cancelled and k power 0. So is a homogeneous differential equation. Whenever the given differential equation is a homogeneous, then we can go for substitution method. We can substitute y is equal to vx form, okay, and dy by dx, which is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Then finally you will get a dv by dx is equal to f of v comma x. You can use a variable separable method, then we will get the final solution. Later we replace v by y by x, you will get the same answer. Please try to solve this problem in this method. Are you getting same or not? Please ping in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.